I know y'all been anticipating since I've sold the RX-7, so I'm at the exhaust shop already. I'm about to get the first mod done. I haven't even had the car for 24 hours, but if y'all watch my channel, y'all know who I am. This is a car that I've always wanted for a long time, man. So if you're a good subscriber or my friend, you should know what this is. But let me go ahead and show you guys the car so you can check it out and see what you guys think. So here she is. Got a 2nd gen CTS-V, supercharged. We already have full bolt-ons, ported blower, pulley. We got the upgraded brakes. This is the Recaro edition with the Recaro seats, the carbon trim. What's up? There go my boy right there. Already about to do the exhaust work, guys. What you think?
Hell yeah, it's badass.
Yeah.
Finally got the V.
Yeah. There we go. Full black interior, carbon trim. Got the nav. That's what I'm talking about. Supercharged, man. So let's go ahead and get this exhaust started.
Motivation, man. You didn't have that motivation for like a year and a half. Yeah, you said you worked a lot too, right?
All right, guys, we just pulled in. Time to get this exhaust done. Let's go. We're gonna take these off. Take these off. Let me see what tips you got, and then we're gonna take off the secondary cats and the muffler. Oh, what tips you got?
Got a bunch, man. But
You don't think there's no quads that'll fit back there?
That's the thing. No, I don't think so. Yeah, those are the same size 4-inch tip that I got.
Weight reduction too. Right? Need some fatter tires. Cause them ain't doing worth the shit. Step on that shit, just start skating. 5-inch tips. The tire, these are 285s. Yeah. Put the extendo pipes on there, boy.
That boy got the Japanese V.
Oh, shit. Got the exhaust done. 5-inch tips. Go. First startup. Good though. Yeah, good. We ain't got on it drove it yet, so we'll have to see this.
Still even at idle. See, and then you get in the front of it, it still ain't that loud.
uh.